It's been a wonderful journey for the last 7 years. I've been able to fly in several different countries, learn the skills of flying, and then subsequently learning how to edit whatever I've captured and then put them into videos or reels. And over a period of 4 5 years, grown slowly. Whatever I share and whatever I've put up on my social media platforms are all my own interpretation of my travel experiences. I haven't put them up with the intention of going commercial, but people seeing my skills, people seeing the videos that I've put up have contacted me, and subsequently I've got a lot of commercial work. So as we go with the basics of the drones, and I explain to you, then I will come to the point to tell you that yes, this industry has a phenomenal future in this line. If you all are considering it, if you all are photographers, if you all are into video editing or videography, please consider one of these as your gear in your entire setup, because the perspective that you
Which drone do you suggest as a starter?
the mini
to the
series
audience?
is always the best to start with. Nothing more than that, because the more
Now-
advanced drones are a little more sophisticated in terms of the camera and the weight. So it's best to have a smaller drone, get the smaller drone, and then go forward if you feel that's right.
And Neo also would be a starter drone also.
Oh yes,
The Neo would be a
actually
good-
with the Neo, yes, it's 30, 35, 40,000 rupees maximum in India, I think right now. You can consider that option and start with that. It's a beautiful drone. It does everything what the other drones do.
So I would say I would ask one of the questions whom should buy the drone and who should not buy the drone. Do you have any
In today's time, with looking at what has happened in the last 4 or 5 years, with the way Instagram and Facebook and other apps have come forward, where people are sharing and capturing and becoming influencers overnight, their videos going viral in millions. So all those people are basically ones who are looking at any type of photography. Now this comes into the classification of aerial photography. It's a little different, but it gives you a beautiful view and a different perspective from the air that what you would not get from the ground. So anybody who's into photography must consider this as an option if they want to continue in that field or progress in this field. That's my opinion.
and whom should not buy the drone according to
It's
you?
very difficult to say who should not buy, because I've got in my last 4 5 years of experience, I've got about 15 different circle of people who have got drones. I've got elderly people who are above 70 who fly drones. I've got a group of 3 groups of ladies who are only women who fly drones. So there is no such restriction as who should not. Anybody can, as long as they follow the rules and regulations.
Also should have spared the time regarding flying and
Time
editing
is,
also.
yes, time is very
So
important.
some of them keep for their memories, that is fine. Some of them don't fly due to they don't have time to fly.
I
So
was
many of
going
my
to
friends did the same actually. They had what is that ambition to buy the drone, and later they did not fly more than 5 flights also. I would not suggest for them buying drone. Either they could have hired some rental drone and they could have experience and just forget about it. So
I agree with you, because once you buy a drone, your purpose of using the drone is to fly and capture content. So when you have that content, what are you going to do with that content? So to put that content down or portray that content or display that content, you need time to edit. So before that, you need to know a little bit about editing. First, you need to have enough time to fly.
yes,
Then you have enough time to edit. So you all in all need a lot of time, a lot of spare time that you can put into this, and then you can see yourself going forward with this.
or else it will be a draft video which you have captured. It will be lying on your desktop or laptop.
Correct.
Does the drone pilots are paid well? Kim, what do you say about the payment what they are getting as a full time, or they're struggling with the full time career with the drone pilot career?
I have been now flying, I would say, commercially for the last, say, 3 years. And on average, in the last 3 years, with my experience and the work that I am being able to deliver, an average income, is about 50,000 a month for me.
Mhm. So last question. So you wanted to say something to the audience, which they wanted to start as a career in drone photography.
I would definitely advise people to take this up seriously. It's an investment of about maximum a lakh of rupees to get a good drone. You need time, you need a good editing application. Once you get all this, you spend some time getting to understand exactly what you can do and how much you can deliver. Put yourself out there. I'm sure there's a lot of work that you can get, and that this could be a definite career for you, because photography, anyway, if you like, then this should be in your gear.
So you can also join the group and you can just understand what kind of.
I am always there to help people. I have always been out there to bring people together, to share whatever knowledge I have. As a matter of fact, this entire vlog today is taking place in the car while Kishore and me are driving to Mysore University, and where I'm giving a small drone workshop for students at the university. This is my second year, and I'm doing this with the pleasure that I'm sharing whatever little information I have to bring about awareness about what drones can do in the next 5 to 10 years in our lives.
So thank you, Kim, speaking with me.
It was
Thank
lovely.
you. It was
Even
lovely
sharing whatever little
So-
information. I welcome anybody to connect with me. The number will be put at the bottom of the video in the description below. You can connect with me directly, and I always say
You
I'm
can
always
also connect him on Instagram, or if you are
Yes.
really interested to join the group.
join the group to learn about drones, to get some question and answers. Before you even buy a drone, you're most welcome to connect with me. We have a lot of friends who will give you honest advice. People who sell drones, people who repair drones, people who fly professionally, people who are in different with using different drones like the FPV drones, or the self-made drones, or the DJI drones. Come together and connect with us. We are there to share information which will help you in some way or the other.
So you will also gain confidence flying the drone.
Yeah, we meet
think-
regularly when we
yeah.
can, on weekends or holidays, where we all get together. I think the last time the maximum amount of drones in the air of all of the group was about 13 or 14. So we have some fun, we get some lunch together, and then we choose a place close by, we fly and we come back.